We plan our futures, careers, families, retirement. But there's one thing we rarely plan for, until it becomes unavoidable. Aging. Every year, the human body slows down. It becomes less resilient, less efficient, less forgiving. And eventually, the body gives up. But why? Why do humans die of old age? Why can't we live forever? And is aging a disease, or a rule of nature? Today, we're not here to talk about fear. We're here to talk about science. What is aging? Aging is not just wrinkles or gray hair. Aging is a biological process. Every second, cells divide. Damage occurs. Repairs happen. But here's the problem. Repair is never perfect. Over time, damage accumulates. Repair slows down. Balance inside the body begins to break. Aging is the gradual accumulation of biological damage. The role of cells. The human body is made of trillions of cells. Cells divide. They replace damaged tissue. They keep us alive. But cells cannot divide forever. This limit is called the Hayflick limit. Most human cells can divide only about 50 to 70 times. After that, the cell remains alive. But it no longer functions properly. These are called senescent cells. They don't help the body. They harm it. They create inflammation. They damage nearby healthy cells. They accelerate aging. Telomeres, the biological clock. At the ends of every chromosome are structures called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time a cell divides, telomeres become shorter. Eventually, they run out. When that happens, the cell can no longer divide. Or the cell dies. Telomeres act like a biological clock. And they are one of the main reasons humans are not biologically infinite. DNA damage and mutations. Every day, our DNA is damaged. From radiation, pollution, stress, normal metabolism. When we're young, the body repairs this damage efficiently. As we age, repair systems weaken. Errors increase. These errors lead to cancer, organ failure, immune system collapse. Death is rarely one single failure. It's a chain reaction. Organ system failure. As aging progresses, the heart becomes weaker. Lungs lose elasticity. Kidneys filter less effectively. The brain loses neurons. The body is a system of systems. When one fails, others follow. Old age doesn't usually kill directly. Instead, it increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, infections, cancer. Aging makes the body vulnerable. Why evolution allows aging? Why would nature allow this? Because evolution doesn't care about longevity. Evolution cares about reproduction. Once an organism has passed on its genes, natural selection loses interest. Aging isn't selected for. It's simply tolerated. Maintenance after reproduction is optional. Is aging a disease? Some scientists believe aging is a disease. Others see it as an unavoidable process. Modern research is exploring senolytic drugs, gene therapy, caloric restriction, stem cell treatments. These approaches may slow aging. But for now, aging cannot be reversed. Only delayed. Immortality remains science fiction. Why old age leads to death? Old age is not a cause of death. It's a condition. A condition where damage accumulates. Resilience disappears. Recovery becomes impossible. A small event, an infection, a fall, stress, can trigger final failure. People don't die from old age. They die from its consequences. Humans don't die because time runs out. They die because biology has limits. Aging is the price of being alive. And understanding that isn't depressing. It's clarifying. Because when time is limited, life becomes valuable. If you want more science-based explorations that don't scare you, but make you think, subscribe to this channel.